Alright guys, want to check Wi-Fi data usage on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to monitor your usage. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and track your data easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.